If the material being repaired is fragile or the damage is extensive, create a patch over the damage using repair tissue. The supplies you will need are repair tissue, Demco Norbond adhesive, wax paper, a paste brush, a piece of cheesecloth, cotton swab, a straight edge, a bone folder, and rubber bands. Place a sheet of wax paper under the damaged page. To size the repair tissue, use a damp cotton swab along the straight edge and tear. Lightly brush Norbond onto the damaged page over an area larger than the repair tissue to ensure that the edges are secure. The Norbond will dry clear. Align the edges of the damaged area. Place the tissue over the area to be patched. Pat off the excess adhesive around the edges of the patch with a cheesecloth. Cover the repair with wax paper and smooth with a bone folder. Close and secure the book with rubber bands and set it aside to dry for 24 hours.